We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and today we are looking at our Sportster lineup. The first one we're going to be looking at is the 1200. This is the 48 model. These are all brand new 2021s. Next set of bikes we're going to be looking at are the Iron 883s. And the last Sportsters we're going to be looking at are across the showroom floor. They are going to be our Iron 1200s. Easy to identify with the higher handlebars. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California. We're open 6 days a week for test rides, Tuesday through Sunday. Always getting new bikes in, always getting them in different colors. So come on by, see what color options and bike options we have.